Hello everyone, this is Gloria of Girliest Cards, and I am back again this week with another card share. I am entering this card into Saturday Morning Makes and two crafters, one design. That's two crafters, one design. Okay, this is a real easy, this was a real easy project this week. So I made some 3x3s, and let me show you, I only used 3 items this time. All right, let me show you what I used. Okay, I used Versifying ink, Onyx Black. I used the Christmas Blessing dies by Honeybee stamps, as well as the matching stamps to go with that. All right, they were on clearance. I don't know if they're still on the clearance, but you can check for their availability. All right, guys, and without further ado, these are the cards. I made 3 3x3s, and as you can see, I used this scallop circle right there. All right, and then I just used this Merry Christmas. I mean, it can't get any easier. It can't get any easier than that. All right, and then I'm just gonna use these as gift tags to go on gifts for Christmas. All right, that is my card share for this week. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, and comment. All right, this is Gloria of Girliest Cards. I'm entering this card into Saturday Morning Makes and two crafters, one design. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.